Hello Confluence enthusiasts! Today we're excited to introduce our app Jupyter Viewer for Confluence in two engaging ways. A technical deep dive and a simplified explanation, or as we like to call it, how to explain to a child. So let's get started. What is Jupyter Viewer for Confluence? It's a powerful Confluence macro that lets you render Jupyter Notebooks directly within your Confluence pages.
Imagine you have a big book where you can draw, write, and do math. This book is called Confluence. Now imagine you have another place where you keep all your drawings and stories like a special folder. This folder is called Bitbucket. The app, Jupyter Viewer for Confluence, is like a magic bridge that lets you take drawings and stories from your Bitbucket folder and put them into your big Confluence book. So now you can see everything together in one place, making it easier to show others what you've created.
The app renders Jupyter Notebooks in a Confluence page including math formulas, plots, code, and Markdown.
From your folder, you can take everything into your book. Your wildest math with symbols not even your teacher knows. The best pictures of the most awesome roller coaster and their heights. Or a recipe for a great cake. Or even a plain old story.
You can include a notebook from an external URL from Dropbox, GitHub, or Bitbucket simply by pasting the notebook's URL into your Confluence page, and the Jupyter Viewer app will do the rest.
When you go to your grandparents, there is perhaps this awesome dollhouse that you always want to take back with you. And when you go to your friends, they have super cool cars track that you would like to have at home. Well, our app Jupyter Viewer lets you play with all the toys you love from anywhere you like, and they are magically here for you at home.
It can also render Jupyter Notebooks attached to a Confluence page, useful to have everything together on one page.
So let's say you've been working on a drawing in your little book and no one's seen it yet. So you can rip that page out of the book and put it in the big book so that everyone can see it.
With Jupyter Viewer for Confluence, keeping your notebooks updated and accessible has never been easier. So why wait? Start simplifying your workflow today and make your Confluence pages more dynamic and informative. Happy collaborating!
So friends, I think you heard all you need to hear. Get to it now and bring some Jupyter excitement into your pages. No shoe. Go, get to it.